Hi, this is Glen Gallucci of Peak Properties and Peak Private Lending. Today I'm here with Eddie Lopez from EKJ Construction and to tell you about my upcoming 41st Wholesaler and Rehabbing bus tour and workshop. I have been doing this for over 17 years and conduct these trainings to help educate real estate investors, just like Eddie and his brother Kyle, who are just one example of our training and how it has helped them to just complete a rehab in record time, within budget, and it's under contract in 1 day after the open house. They'll be looking at a whopping mid-5-figure profit, and they could have wholesaled their deal for an easy $10,000.
Thank you, Glenn. We attended our first bus tour last year, and it really worked as a catalyst for our emerging business. At this full-day event, we were able to gain hands-on knowledge from the absolute best teacher in the market. We translated everything we learned into the confidence and motivation necessary to get started. And since then, we've closed 8 wholesale deals and just completed our 5th Fix and Flip project. We will be taking you to a few carefully selected exclusive Peak properties for walkthroughs with meticulous agendas put together by Glenn so that you can see absolutely everything that goes into a successful Fix and Flip. But that's not all.
These bus tours and workshops are so very important as you will see firsthand exactly what I and other successful wholesalers and rehabbers look for in every potential deal. We cut through all the fluff and give you a first-hand look at analyzing the deals from beginning to end through the eyes of a 30-year veteran investor and private lender. Our students have made tens of thousands of dollars, and now including Eddie and Kyle.
Stick around so we can show you how you can be a part of the 41st bus tour and workshop coming up September 8th, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. By the way, we've only got 18 seats left, and we still got some time before the event, so make sure you get yours.
And show them exactly what to look for, what type of renovations to do. Most of these things that we're going to be renovating is just things that you look at and say, if it was your own home, that doesn't look good. Or if you were going to buy it and live in it, that doesn't look good. It needs to be changed. It's really the same thing we look at. This island part was here. This was a very narrow, and I think they even had spindles here. Took it out, opened it all up. Those are the things that, like when you come in, you go, wow, and it just stands out. But when I show you some of these deals, you say, wow, this person put down $15,000, but they made $47,000. That's a huge return. Real deals, real numbers from real people that are doing it. Ready? Let's go.
And after the bus tour, the fun doesn't stop. In a small personalized classroom setting, you get direct mentoring as to what it takes and exactly step by step how to achieve your goals as a real estate wholesaler or investor. For newbies and experienced investors alike, this is an event that you absolutely do not want to miss.
And we will be visiting 2 or 3 houses that are on the market, and we'll cover such topics as the information we need to collect as a wholesaler for our cash buyers, how to analyze the deal and determine the pricing the correct way, how to analyze and the correct repairs in 15 minutes, and I give you an easy wholesaler version. Also a complete list of all the repairs that you need to propel your estimating skills, even ranked beginners. How much to charge for your wholesale fee, $5,000, $20,000, and more. How much should the rehabbers make? At this workshop, you will know exactly how much to charge and how much to make on your rehabs. Sound good?
Perfect. We'll see you there.